A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So say, what the law really I tell you for do. I for love God, love yourself, and love your neighbor like how you love yourself. So Max is something. You love yourself? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And please, if you don't do it already, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, chapter 5, from verse 13 to verse 26. Brother and sister, God called you so that you could have free from the Jew them law. But that no means say you can go live anyhow you want to live. What you fi do? Serve and love one another. When you look at it, all the law really are telling you to do, I fi love your neighbor like how you love yourself. But if you keep on a bite and chop one another like a wild animal, you better watch out, cause you are gonna mash up one another. Me I tell you no, live life like how God's spirit say you feel live. That way there, you not go get into sin and do the wrong thing them when you ever want to do. Cause the wrong thing them where your body want to do. The spirit no want that. And the thing them where the spirit want to do. The body no want that. The two of them ever fight with them one another. As some you can't always do when you want to do. But if God's spirit lead you, the law no power over you. All we know about the sitting them where people do when they make them body control them. Them the people they sleep round with everybody and everything. Them mind and heart dirty. Them no control over themselves. The people who make them body control, them worship all kind of false God and walk obia. Then treat people hard and they love curse and fight. Them bad mind people for what they have. And it don't take nothing to set them off. The people them will make them body control them ever want people to respect them. But them no respect nobody. Them uncle business with themselves. Them cause people to split up. And they uncle talk to them friend. All them want our other people have. Them the people they ever drink too much. And I go all kind of wild party. And them they kind of sitting there. Then love do. Me I want to know. Just like how me did want to know before. The one them will make them body control them. And we do all of this sitting them when we just talk about, them nago can take part in a God kingdom. But God spirit cause film people feel love everybody and always happy no matter what. It cause them feel live good with people. No feel love fight and we always take time with other people. The Spirit make them kind and make them ever do good for people. It cause them to be somebody where people can trust. The Spirit make them gentle and make them know how to control themselves. No law no about where we tap you from live so. The people them will belong to Jesus Christ. No make them body rule them. Them no do the wicked sitting them where them body well want do. Them tap them sitting there. It come like say them nail them up on the cross and kill them. So since God's Spirit give we life, make we live how the Spirit want we to live. Make we not get full of ourselves and think so we're better than other people. Make we not provoke one another and make we not ready eye for one another sitting them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.